Nature. Nature is everything present around us. Human beings depend on nature for fulfilling their needs. It provides the humans, animals, and all the living beings on the earth a place to survive. Nature helps in sustaining serve life as we all know. Nature is very important for human life, but our greediness is destroying it. For millions of years, we have been dependent on nature for everything, even today. Nature is being given to us. As it supports life on earth, nature gives us forests, which are the lungs of earth. In the name of growth and development, we are exhausting our natural resources and in turn exposing our Mother Earth into great dangers. Forests have been destroyed, rivers have been polluted, and vast open fields have been consumed for buildings and factories. We are destroying our nature by hunting down animals, cutting down trees, releasing poisonous gases into the atmosphere, and polluting rivers. Due to such activities, our rivers are going dry, plants are dying, as well as species are being eliminated. By saying save nature, save earth. To conclude it, thank you.